How to turn on Samsung Frame TV without remote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To turn on Samsung Frame TV without remote, all you need to know is the buttons in your Samsung Frame TV. So usually you need to locate the TV buttons, and honestly that could be quite tricky. So check behind your TV or beneath the Samsung logo or under the TV. Over there, you might find a couple of buttons. If you find any of the three buttons, you can go ahead and click on the first one. If you see 5 buttons, go ahead and click on the middle or the center button, which is your power button. Now you need to press and hold this power button for at least of 5 seconds. After which, you will see that your Samsung TV has turned on. Next there is an application called SmartThings with which you can connect your smart TV. In the case of a damaged remote or a lost remote, you can easily turn on your TV with your mobile device. However, firstly, you do have to configure your Samsung TV with the app, after which you'll be able to control it through your smartphone as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.